Cinnamon challenge. Yeah. Can never have too much cinnamon. More. And you're a weeding, so go for it. We don't. Just do it. I can't do it either. Jerk. Try to swallow it. Here you go. Alright, okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Come on, Crystal. You didn't even try to swallow it. No, you just spit it out.